Welcome to the Life Changers Playbook. This channel is dedicated to me sharing my experience, my journey, my lessons learned, what I'm doing to get to the next level, and the people I'm talking to that are helping me. It's a channel where I'm going to be interviewing other life changers, other people on a mission to change the world, about what they're doing, how they're doing it, why they're doing it. This channel is a platform to motivate, to help others, to help push people to achieve more, to do greater things, to give tactics and strategies that people can use to change the world. That's what this Life Changers Playbook is all about. So if that's something that you would find value in, if you are a life changer, if you are on a mission to change the world, I invite you to come with me. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to the podcast. Use these tools, use these lessons to further your knowledge, to further your understanding and what you're doing to change the world. Because together, we go further, we go faster, and we make a bigger impact. So I want to encourage you to come on this journey with me. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to change a lot of lives, and we're going to do it together, because that is how life is meant to be lived.